Alright, so this is for the R1 forum, and for Liam that's actually going ahead and help me out here with this loom problem that I'm having here. Oh yeah, forum guys, or there's a whole R1 there in boxes. I was just waiting, putting the pistons and stuff, but back to the problem here. Okay, this is the original installation manual, which this part I had to invert the cables because mine is European. Now it says exactly here how to do each of them for connector 1. Now connector 2 looks something like this. Now the biggest freaking problem, it does not say anything on here about that. It just says data cable must be connected into pin 18 yellow and 26 orange, and then the quick shifter will be connected to pin 33 and pin 25. Well, on the stock one there's only pin 25. There's a lot of shit missing there, which I don't understand. Now over here I've went ahead and cut and spliced because I don't want to go into this and risk anything on there. So I went in and did everything on connector 1 as it said. I'm going to go ahead and be shrink wrapping the whole harness in later on. But this is the major problem now. Now this is the only quick shifter cable that's saying on there. Everything else seems to be missing. So that's what I needed help with. Now also about the pit limiter, because I will be using this on track as well. The other question, let me go ahead and see here. Okay, pin 22 is pit limiter on if grounded. Okay, so 22, that means, give me a second here. That means this is pit limiter. Okay, so now what do I have to do for the switch? Do I have to actually cut here and then attach a piece of cable onto the cut here, put a switch in between and ground it, or do I have to just tap into the wire? Do I have to just tap into the wire and ground it, or cut it? Okay, that's the other big issue about the switches on this thing that it's talking about. But my main problem is what do I do here? See, it does not look anything like what it should. The eBay guy told me this is what it should look like, and that's nothing of what it looks like. So that's my biggest issue there. If anybody can go ahead and clarify this, why? Because on the bottom, see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cables on here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on there. But on the original, there's 1, skips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are missing. So I have no clue whatsoever what's going on. On the bottom one there should only be 1 missing, and all the rest should have wires. And as you can see here, there's a bunch missing. There should only be 1. It does not say anything about relocating pins or anything on connector 2. It does on connector 1. So that's my big issue there. If anybody can go ahead and see this problem, or make a video and clarify how they did it, it would be more appreciated. Thank you very much.